I think that culture will survive and will grow and will absorb ideas and so on and select. This has always been the Nigerian approach to art. There is a very interesting institution among the Igbos, the Mbare idea. Now, if you went into an Mbare, which is to put it simply, was a temple full of works of art dedicated to the earth goddess. Now, if you went into an Mbare, this was before anybody discovered it and made it a sort of a tourist thing, you would find all kinds of figures drawn from the life of the village. You would find the district commissioner, you would find bicycles, you would find all the new ideas that have come into the village would be represented. And I think this is as it should be, because art is alive. And once you start thinking in terms of a museum, then the art is nearly dead and you want to preserve it.
The artist. Art is no longer a system of society. The religious connection has been severed somewhere. And now we are now trying to, we feel the need for art, but we're now trying to acquire art in our lives in a different manner, not in the old Mbari system, but now as a sort of favor to the creative people, so to speak. And the artists who feel the need to express themselves do this, but they are not geared to the present society because there is no economic place for them. This is now an economic society. That's how I see it.
Yes, you think that sort of the social content has gone out, and,
I think
the present practitioners haven't sort of found a place.
Precisely, yes.